Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that can create new content such as images, text, music, and more, based on some input or data. In recent years, generative AI has become more accessible and popular thanks to platforms like Deep Dream Generator, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion, which allow anyone to generate artwork using text prompts or existing images. However, not everyone is impressed by the capabilities of generative AI. Many artists, especially illustrators, have expressed their concerns and criticisms about AI-generated art, arguing that it is unethical, unoriginal, and devaluing of human creativity. One of the main ethical issues that artists have with generative AI is the question of ownership and attribution. Who owns the rights to the AI-generated artwork? Is it the person who provided the input, the AI algorithm, or the company that developed the AI? What if the AI uses copyrighted works or images as a source of inspiration or training? These questions are not easy to answer, as the legal frameworks and regulations for AI art are still evolving and vary across different jurisdictions. However, some artists have already taken legal action against AI companies for repurposing their work without permission or compensation. For example, Getty Images sued Stability AI for allegedly copying and processing millions of images owned or represented by Getty Images. Similarly, a group of visual artists filed a class action lawsuit against Midjourney and Stable Diffusion for violating their rights by ingesting and producing derivative works from their digital images. Another issue that artists have with generative AI is the lack of originality and creativity in AI-generated art. Many artists believe that art is a profoundly human endeavor that requires emotion, expression, and imagination. They argue that AI art is merely a remix or a copy of existing human-made art, without any artistic depth or vision. As Rob Biddulph, a children's author and illustrator, puts it, "Fundamentally, I have always felt that art is all about translating something that you feel internally into something that exists externally, whatever form it takes, be it a sculpture, a piece of music, a piece of writing, a performance, or an image. True art is about the creative process much more than it's about the final piece. And simply pressing a button to generate an image is not a creative process." Moreover, some artists point out that AI art often contains flaws and oddities, such as distorted features, inconsistent perspectives, or unrealistic colors. These errors reveal the limitations of AI algorithms, which may not fully understand the context, meaning, or aesthetics of the input or the output. Finally, some artists fear that generative AI may devalue the skill and talent of human artists by making art more accessible and commodified. They worry that AI art may undermine the appreciation and recognition of human art by creating a market for cheap and fast art that can be mass-produced and customized. They also worry that AI art may reduce the opportunities and income for human artists by creating competition and saturation in the art industry. Some artists have already experienced the negative effects of AI art, such as losing clients or contracts to AI-generated art, or having their work plagiarized or duplicated by AI. Generative AI is a fascinating and controversial phenomenon that has sparked a heated debate among artists and the public. While some see it as a new form of art that opens up new possibilities and challenges, others see it as a threat to the integrity, authenticity, and value of human art. As generative AI continues to evolve and improve, the debate will likely persist and intensify, as artists and society grapple with the ethical, legal, and artistic implications of AI art.